going? I'm Jason McDonald. This is my brother Alex McDonald, and we are Concours Collective, and we specialize in custom and restoration repairs for a number of different vehicles. We specialize primarily on Porsches, and we also do a number of motorsports repairs, from your classic restoration to something a little more extreme, wider or more wild. Could take care of all your repair and your paint and body needs for any type of project you have.
We noticed the hinges and the doors, the insulation, just all of it felt much better for the Accudraft Titan than everything else we saw. And then on top of that, we did kind of have a theme, if you look around the shop, with the colors, and the color just sealed it for us. So it was really not a hard decision to go with this paint booth.
If you're in the market for a paint booth, I think Accudraft is the only choice to go with, personally. From robust construction, ease of use, and picking out your choice of color, it's just been a great experience for us.